What's going on, guys? So it is December 29th, I believe. The current temperature is 57.2. It's the nicest day we've had all damn month. Tomorrow is supposed to be nicer, but there is a 98% chance of rain for tomorrow, so I doubt I'm going to be able to get out. It may not rain as much as what they think it's going to, but it's definitely going to rain. We're just out on a little 2-lane cruise, headed north. Really don't know where we'll go from when we get to the next stop sign. I'm just trying to lay down some miles for today. Already done about 20. Actually, it feels pretty damn good out. I've got probably too much clothing on. I've got the heated vest on, but I've just got it on medium or low. I can't remember. My good chaps, my heavy leather coat, my heavy leather gloves, which these are actually the only motorcycle gloves I own. I need another pair. Probably should have asked for those for Christmas instead of, well, I got what I wanted. I got that jump pack, which is definitely needed. Maybe not for me, but somebody will need it somewhere along the lines, and I'll be able to charge my phone whenever I'm out at rallies and shit, because I never get a spot with electric. Place for a tank truck to be parked. I mean, today really couldn't get any better for the damn roads. They're just a little bit moist. I really could use a damn back rest. And that may be my next purchase for this thing. I just don't know if it'll work with this CVO seat. I've reached out to a seat company or two to maybe sponsor a video, and of course I'm too small time to even get an answer. But there'll come a day at some point, right? Hopefully, maybe. If not, oh well. I don't want anybody to ever pay me to ride, but if you paid for my gear that went on the bike, that'd be fucking awesome. We don't have anything very scenic to look at. No big curves or anything. Most of my roads within an hour of the house are flat and straight. And some of them are pretty damn shitty. Wasn't going to go this direction, but I was going to turn this direction, then the van in front of me was wanting to turn as well. I thought about giving up, but there was no way in hell I was going to go down the road straight in front of me, because it turns to crap after about 10-15 miles. but the van turned off before it got a mile down the road, so I was happy when that happened. So does anybody get any big New Year's Eve, or did anybody have any big New Year's Eve or New Year's Day plans? Because you won't see this till well after New Year's, probably a week after or so, maybe two, fuck, I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. The VFW has a band that night. We're not going to a friend's house, it's probably where I'll end up at. Yes, I know. New Year's is amateur night. But you gotta go out and support your local VFWs, American Legions, Elks, Eagles, and Moose Lodge, not amateur Moose. That guy kind of sucks. Yeah, these fucking roads suck. As far as scenic, used to be a cornfield, used to be a bean field. Oh look, that one used to be a bean field too. Oh shit, that one used to be a cornfield as well. Yeah, it doesn't change much around here. Every once in a while somebody will double crop it and have a little bit of winter wheat going, but it ain't very damn often around here. Doesn't pay out. Not worth the headache to some of them. Oh hell, I still got my camera down low. Oh well. You guys don't mind, do you? If there's anything to look at, I'd probably have it up a little higher, but because we've been over in Southern Illinois, it's flat and stupid. Trying to find my way out of this state. It's just not panning out the greatest yet. But I will make my way out at some point in time. Unfortunately, it may just be temporary. Like, I know next year I'm planning my big southern trip down to, let's see, the states were that I was actually going to hit was going to be leave Illinois, Kentucky, or Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, or sorry, straight into Florida, along the Panhandle, down to Florida, to Tampa area, to Key West, to the West Palm Beach area, back up through Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, and I think Ohio, and home from there. Trying to knock out states that I have not rode a motorcycle in. I was going to try and go to towards DC, so I go to 1600 Washington Avenue, I guess is what it is, and just flip that guy the bird. Then Maryland, Delaware, Jersey, up to PA, and across to Ohio, but I don't have enough time for all that. In Ohio, I'm supposed to be spending a long weekend with family there. My immediate family, wife and kids. God damn it, I hate wearing a helmet. My cheeks are starting to itch. Anybody else have that problem? And don't tell me to shave the beard, because that's not happening. Let's see, what else do we want to talk about? See, we covered what you get for Christmas in the last video. We covered what you did for New Year's. Yeah, so we'll be back in a little bit. Well, what's going on, knuckleheads? It's been a little bit since I've had the camera on. I stopped at a couple different places, had a drink at each. Stopped at a third place or actually it was the second place that I stopped at. A little independent brewing company. Holy shit, I cannot talk. And they were closed. I don't know why. Oh hell. Did not mean to kind of fat finger the controls there, turn down the radio, bump down the cruise. So this, I guess, is just going to be a short video for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one.